Okay, we're gonna check a video about graphing linear equations. So this is kind of a review, so you should know this topic from previous. So here we have y equal minus x. There's nothing here, so that means that the y-intercept here is in 0, 0. This is the x, this is the y, this is the x here, the y here. So, and then minus x, it means down. One down here, one right here. So this is the minus 1, and here, this one is the 1. So one down, one right, and you make the line. So this is the first equation according to this function here. So here, minus 2, 1/3 of x minus 2. The minus 2 is here. Minus 2, you don't see it, very small, but it's that one. And then 1 up, 3 right, because it's positive. So minus 2 here to minus 1, this is 1 up, and then 1, 2, 3 right. So here's the 3. That's the other point here, and you see it go up. So this is the graphing for this equation. Here we have the opposite. The number 2 says write the equation given the graph. So now they give us the equation. We need to find the graph. So the first important and quick thing we can do is find the y-intercept, the b. So 0, 1, so the b is 1. So this one will be y equals something plus 1. Something plus 1. This something is the slope x. We need to find the slope. The slope is 1 down, 1 right. The slope is minus 1, which we only write minus. So minus x plus 1. So this is the graph for this equation. Let's go to this one. This number here is a minus 2, this point here, so it will be y equal something x minus 2. It go up, so it's going to be positive. So here we do 2 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 right, or 1, 2. 1 up, 2 right. So 1 up is 1. And 2 right is over 2. So 1 over 2x minus 2. So this one is the equation for this graph, okay? So this is a practice video. You should know this from previous other lessons, okay? There are some lessons that we only do this, other lesson we only do this, and then this one is write the equation of each table below. So given a table, write the equation. That's another options that you might see on the test. So all these different variation of linear equations are very important for your test. So the first one, when you see a 0 in a table like this and a number, that number is the b, the y-intercept. So the first equation is y equals something x plus 3. This something is the slope. We need to find it. We can find it with a formula. Remember, we did it before. I mean, in other videos, we have that y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have that. We can find it like that. Or we can try to find a pattern or a variation. Okay? In this case, 0, 3. Then 1, 4. Then 4, 7. So here, increase 1, increase 1. Increase 3, increase 3. So that means 1 over 1. That means that for every 1 increasing x, every 1 increasing y. So it will be 1 over 1, which is 1. So this one is the first equation we have. So 1 over 1 is 1. So 1x plus 3. So that's for this one. You can graph it if you want to confirm. That's another thing you can do. You can do... you can graph the point. This is xy 0, 3, then 1, 4, and then it says like 4, 7. So 4 here, it will be like a 7 here. So it's something like this. So it go 1, 1, 1, 1, or 3, 3. So it's 1 over 1. 1 change in x, 1 change in y. Let's go to the next one. The next one, we have a minus 1 here, so that's the b. So it will be y equals something x minus 1. So that will be 1 up, and this one it goes 2 up. because from -1 to 2 it goes 2 up. Then it go here 3 and here go up 6. So that means from 1 going up in x, it gonna go 2 up in y. So 2 over 1. 2 over 1 because remember we put the y first. It's y over x. So it's 2 minus 1, 0, 0, 1. So 2 up, 1 right. Then it goes 6 up, 3 right. Okay, 6 over 3 is 2. So 2 over 1. And this is minus 1, minus 1. 2x minus 1, it will be for number 2. So let's talk about number 3. Number 3, 0, 0 is the origin. 0, 0 is the origin. 1, 3, 1, 3. So y is equal 1 in the y, 3 in the x, plus 0, because when x is 0, y is 0, so we don't write anything else. That's it. We don't do anything else. So the last one, what will be the last one? Want me to do it, or you want to pause the video and try to find it? So the b is 1 plus 1. So y equals something x plus 1. So what is that? This here go 1, 1, 2, 2. So 1 in y over 2 in x. That's it. Those are the 4 equations for those 4 tables. So stop the video. That's page 92 of this book. Remember, this book you have a lot of practice. There are also practice tests in the back with the answers, so you can check that. But so this is page 92. Okay, check, double check if you don't understand something. Review the previous content, because sometimes students don't understand something because they don't understand the previous content.